Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
U MLA ka United Democratic Party na Mookaïaw constituency uba Nujorki sungo ulawanra ya ka Jingkylli ha yeng dorbar thawang ke jalla ha ka baidai bat ka jingdawa ban a civil subdivision no ya ka Laskein CNRD block bat haba jubab ya ka ni Jingkylli u sembut menteri rang ba ka jalla uba prastun tensong ulaong ba ka sarkar kadang Eksamin ya ka ni ka kam. Uba Nujorki sungo ula benrap biang ya ka Jingkylli da ka baong ba Naduh usnam arjar khatpra ulawan ra ya ka ni Jingkylli bat ka jubab ka ba uyo ka daybed badang Eksamin bat ubu Jingkylli ka ai kata ka jing ka sarkar ba ka habban Eksamin sa Naduh arajar khatpra Haduh mentaru ulaong bakala thaw ya ka Laskein block Naduh usnam khatkhandai spa nyo phulai ka jingdon ki nongsong snong ka long Haduh silak arpusan hajar ngot ka jingdon ki long yeng ka long palat ya ka khatsan hajar teli ki tunum yeng bat ka jinghe ka jaka ka dei sanspa square kilometer bat ka labiang pura banyo ya ka civil subdivision. Ula bo Jingkylli daga baong ba kanno kalut chisnam banthau ya ka civil subdivision hanrei uba prastun ula jubab ba ka sarkar kamdan jingkhen bat kan sakhen yigini lada kalaibet bana ya ka civil subdivision. U MLA ka UDP na Mausun Ramru ula benrap lang ya ka ni ka Jingkylli halor ka jingdon kam ban a civil subdivision no ya ka Mausun Ram ha ka ba uba prastun ulaong ba ka jubab ka long kumju na ka benda ka Laskein block bat ka Mausun Ram block ru.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 3. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. One question I would like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Since I've been raising this question since 2018, and I've got the same reply, sir, that the matter is under examination. So may I once again know, sir, what are the matters that needs to be examined so that we can create a civil subdivision in Laskein block, sir?
Sir, why I reply that the matter is under examination? Because, sir, creation of new civil subdivision or district has to be properly examined by the government, and especially it relates to quite a number of departments of the government. And for the information of the honorable member, the questioner, in fact in 2021 we have written a letter to all the department concerned to submit all the details for consideration of the creation of civil subdivision, and few department has submitted the clarification, and also more of them are yet to submit the detailed report. And thereafter, sir, again one standing committee headed by the Chief Secretary will again, once the report is collected from all the concerned department, and all this report will be again sent to the standing committee under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, and thereafter the committee will put up to the government for final decisions.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the knowledge of this House that Laskein block is one of the oldest block in the state as a whole, sir. It was Laskein block was inaugurated in the year 1973, sir. Until now, we are having a population of not less than 1,25,000, and that also as per Aadhaar enrollment, sir. And the total number of households is more than 15,000, and the area which Laskein block covers, it is more than 500 square kilometers, sir. So, looking at all these basic requirements, we feel that Laskein block has fulfilled all the necessary requirements to be upgraded to a civil subdivision. So that's why, sir, I raised this issue. And again, and with the hope that the government will listen the cry of the people of our Laskein block, sir. And one more question, sir. How much is the cost, sir, for in 1 year for the cost of creation of one civil subdivision, sir?
Sir, I don't have a detail of the total cost in creation of each civil subdivision. But of course, once the decision is taken for creation of new civil subdivision, we need to also consider the expenditure of creation of posts and creation of establishment or infrastructure in that particular area, and so on and so forth. So I don't have the exact expenditure involved in the proposed creation of civil subdivision, sir. But however, as I've already replied in the very beginning, that the matter is being examined by the government, sir.
One last question, sir.
Okay.
So I would just like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, whether is there any specific timeline, sir, that the government set to fulfill the aspiration of the people of my Laskein block, sir?
Sir, there is no such specific timeline, but let the government examine the matter. As I've already replied, we are going to again examine very seriously on this petition and the question raised by the Honorable Members.
Bringing someone.
Since this question is related to civil subdivision, may I also ask one question? So may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether any step have been taken up to construct civil subdivision building, staff quarters, approach road, boundary fencing, and court at the civil subdivision level, which was created civil subdivision at Haduh last term during 2022-23.
Yes, sir, we are aware that a number of created civil subdivision does not have a proper designated offices, and even the staff quarters does not. We are not able to provide till today. But recently, under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, we have decided that all those created civil subdivision will be provided with a full-fledged office building, staff quarters, and also all other related basic requirements in all the subdivisions, civil subdivisions throughout the state, sir.
Baswin, please.
Thank you, sir, for. I also want to know, sir, the thought of the government for creation of civil subdivision at the Morsram civil and for at Morsram, because this issue I have spoken in the last financial year, and in the autumn session also I have verbally briefed the figure that required for fulfillment to create a civil subdivision. So may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, the thought or the status of creation the civil subdivision of Muslim, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, same yardstick will be applied. Same yardstick will be applied, sir.
Thank you.